Here we can see how to use order by clause. Okay, so we have this order items table. If we execute this particular query, we are getting this records like order ID, item ID, product ID, quantity, product price, discount, and you can see the order is on the basis of this order ID. Okay, so you can see that first it is printed 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, so if we want this particular order on the basis of product ID, then we can provide order by clause and the column by which we want this sorting. So here we want this sorting on the basis of product ID. So let's run this one, and you can see that it is printing product ID 2, then 3, and so on. Okay, now I haven't mentioned any order over here, whether it is ascending or descending. So still you can see that it have printed records on the basis of ascending order. You can see that we haven't mentioned any sorting order like ascending or descending. Still it is providing ascending order for this product ID. Okay, because ascending is a default sorting order. You can provide product ID ASC, still you will get same result. If we run this one, you can see same result is printed. Okay, if we want to print the result in descending order, then we have to provide DESC, and we can see product ID DSC be executed, and here we can see highest product ID is printed first, then lowest, and so on. Now if we want to order the records on the basis of 2 or more columns, here we have provided 2 columns. Okay, then we can provide order by clause with those column names like product ID, item ID. If we run this one, you can see product ID 2 is printed, and then item ID is there. So I can show you product ID 2 is there, then item ID 2 is there. So we can see that for product ID 2, we are getting all the item ID which are again in order, like 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. Okay, then again for product ID 3, it is again started printing item ID 1, 2, and so on. Okay, so in summary we can say that it is first of all sorting the order on the basis of product ID, and then it is sorting it on the basis of item ID. Now here we have provided order by, product ID, and item ID, but for item ID we are looking for descending order. For product ID we haven't provided any order, so it is by default considered as a ascending order. If we run this one, we can see product ID 2 is printed first. Okay, and item ID is in descending order, and that's the reason it's printing 5. Initially it was printing 1 for ascending. Here it is in descending order, so item ID is printed 5, then 4, and then 3. Okay, now in third query we are providing order by, product ID with descending order, as well as item ID with descending order. So if we run this one, we can see product ID is printed with value 315, and item ID is printed for that 315. There is only one record. Same for 314, exists one record. If we go with 313, so 313 we are getting item ID in descending order 431. Okay, so here we are getting order by in descending order for both the columns. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching.
So enjoying this video? Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.